Good evening or good afternoon, good morning. I don't know what time of day it is where you are, but big up yourself and welcome to the channel. Long time subscribers, a kind reminder for you guys to like this video. Thank you no. And if you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. So, we never yet reason with a great Popeye. So that's how we're gonna do in this one, people. We're gonna talk to Popeye. Probably try getting So Popeye. Why your real name though? Tell the people what your real name.
Oh, my real name. I think I want to keep that confidential.
Your real name is Jeremy. Just member. Just blouse that skirt member. So before we talk reason I know, my general.
Yeah.
One bag of things are going on in our country. We'll start there. So, corona, lockdown. One whole heap of things are going on in our country. What you think about it? What you think about all the
When
things
you come
them
on to money, in a poor days like this, you have to distract.
it sound like the lockdown and thing affect you, man.
Yeah. Because
tell
I'm losing 2 days out of work every day.
So-
and it's not righteous.
So what? You lose 2 day of work?
Every week, 2 days.
Oh,
4 days
cool.
now, because Saturday I don't open, Sunday I don't open. Then Monday, Tuesday, I have to close. Why sense? Me I lose profit, me I lose everything.
So you think about everything we are going on in our country?
Well, to what me say I go on in a fear.
I don't understand. Expound upon that.
Alright, if I'm doing a lockdown, I'm doing a total lockdown as in give everybody food at the yard and don't make them pay no bills for 3 months.
Okay.
That's a real lockdown. If you want to support people, people are hanging. Me see people are hanging there and say,
Papa is frustrated about all of what going on in the country. That's what I get from where I say that. So,
what you
so
mean?
enough of that. Enough of what going on, whole lot of stress and thing. We go back in our past. Zine, tell a little bit about Popeye. Which part you come from originally?
Well, a born and growing Negril, you know the best part of Negril.
Which part?
In red ground.
Red Ground is the best part of Nigel?
Wow, peace and quiet.
Alright, boss. Most of your life you live at Red Ground, right?
From the barn and them stay.
So you know
I
move.
don't move.
Alright, those answers. So what life did stay like in a Red Ground back in the days?
Well, life was like this. You're free to go about your business, do what you want to do. It's still same way, because we still, only this thing, I don't do certain things that I used to do. I don't go to bush go shoot bird anymore. I don't go on beach. I can't tell when last me go on beach because I live near the beach. I me take out a beach with it, and I can't tell when last. I see people from Kingston go to the beach. I should have shame on myself.
So you left from Red Ground and got which high school?
Oh, I go to Little London.
Little London High School.
Left Little London from 9th grade because you know, say, I'm telling you the truth. You see, school sometimes it's good for you, know, but you see, for me, you know, me tell myself, say, if I stay in school a little longer, I'm very intelligent. But I just left the school to do one thing. Help my mother, help my 2 brothers them, and my sister. Until today, I am still doing that. And from me 14, me I raise them instead of them raise me.
Okay,
I know they're still a big man and big woman and me still I do the same.
So,
So
you know,
I thank God for God.
so during high school, you start act or get interested in acting?
Well, when me at school, I say, well, I'm going to do acting, but anything we choose first never come first. I tell you. Baking coming in my hand. Because the whole my mother can bake. And my mother also a baker. Our last name is Baker. So it's just generally in my blood for bake.
Alright, my boss. Boss, tell me everything more I know already, you know. But anyhow, I feel like we still not crack off our surface. I feel like we still don't know who Popeye is. Where you get that name from? Popeye?
Well, one lady gave me it when I was a baby. Until today I keep that name. I don't let it go. That name is going on for 31 years now. So yeah, we work with that name there.
So that's all I know, so you just get one name Popeye?
Yeah, I will just keep it.
Then I tell you why I didn't get the name.
I don't know, maybe I have a cartoon.
But what you and Popeye have in common? You eat spinach? Wham.
I love callaloo. If I should choose baking and acting, which one I would drop?
I know say acting in that job, man.
Oh, you know?
No, man. No, say you're not left a baker, man.
No, we can't live for baking. Not tell you, I will never leave something that push my life far. We can't do that. If
No,
acting,
so.
if other guys subscribe enough and push it before 2 more years pass, I'm telling you, if 2 more years pass, I'm gonna see the subscriber going up and the views going up. It's gonna drop completely for me. Because, no, I'm telling you, serious when you come on to them, I say, yeah. If we can't see views that go why sense, you better stick to baking because baking help me a lot.
Okay, my boss. Alright, alright. Alright, fair enough. So, one of the, what would I call it now, protagonists of the whole Richard Brown films. I say, baking and first passion. See, I'm with Mike Tyson, say I'm not like fighting, and I'm one of the greatest. So, what again? Tell me about some of the special people in your life.
Well, the special people that in my life, my mother, my daughter, my lover,
Hold on, your lover.
and I don't see now. The whole universe. Me not have no grudge against nobody. Me just love everybody. If me even walk past a madman, me tell him man. I don't know me get that dirty habit.
If people don't want to know about your lover, Papa, that they want to know about her now. How you and lover, how you and the lover meet?
Well, me try make it work.
Hold on. How you and the lover meet? Start Friday, so.
Just imagine what
Hold on, I'm not done talking yet, my boss. Come back, man. We're not done talking. We're not done talking. Come. Go back. I'm back up, let's go. Alright. Papa. What do you want to say to your fans? I don't know. What do you think your fans would want to know about you? What do you think?
Alright.
Tell me something. What do you think your fans don't know about you? What they want to surprise you know? I don't know.
Well, this is what they don't know. I can do anything I put my mind to.
Everybody can do that, Papa. Come
no,
on.
Man,
I joke, man. Alright. They probably don't know that. So.
Right. I can anything when we get the most can translate it different. I just saw my time.
But what do you mean? Anything I get I can translate it different?
Because if nothing wrong with the light a yard, I don't have to call a light man. I can go through if my pipe burst, I can fix it.
Oh, Zine.
Any little thing in the yard, I can plant same way. I love plant flowers, I love plant food. You see food? If you can plant your own tomatoes, your own Irish and them something there. You don't have to make a big garden, but plant what you know you're going to need. Mostly.
Cool. So, here's a man who make sure Mr. Jack of all trades, something like that. How you come up with it? Because I understand, say, when you do the movies, them, you know, script them, see? So, not for the time them somebody joke them out like your joke them originally. Right? So how you come up with them joke them boss? Like how you furnish them?
Like on the scene now. Once we start in that motion, then just pop up in my head. But you see me can't get somebody where they, you know, like tag along with me and talking and they can't talk.
Yeah.
That's going to cause a problem with me.
Zine, my boss. But yes, movies, upcoming movies, talk to you about that. What go on?
Well, the upcoming movies. Probably, which one? Lockdown Part 3, yeah? Coming in the next one. I need a producer though. I have a good story, it's right, but I definitely need a producer. Don't fret about the money, you will get it back in due time.
Then I just produce one over Jamaican City or Richard Brown films.
Yeah, but we still need a producer to sponsor some money.
Okay, my
boss.
Because
this movie is going to take a lot of money.
Okay.
It has to be more than 10 rooms.
Give one hint, one idea what the story about with that movie?
The story is about a 15-year-old get pregnant and her mother threw her out, but they wouldn't know what's going to happen and what will happen. It's going to be from 1 to 2. So it's 2.
Question, so is this based on a real true life something?
Yeah, something I witnessed. So I just write it. But I don't want to give out too much stories.
Alright, my boss, alright.
But it's something like that where I witnessed.
So, why not pipeline for you? Where you going with in your life? What, the COVID lockdown and thing, what kind of plans you make for your future and them with it?
Well, for the future, for the future. You know, say 2 war and I'm brain blank, stress.
So, no plans, nothing?
No, I can't plan, I don't know what's going to happen.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm going to get up and see it tomorrow. See, I've been looking for, this is the woman been stressing me out mostly. I've been looking at her since...
People make me feel like you got a character now. Anytime you see Candy, you got an acting character.
How long have I been looking here now? 50, no, it's not 15 years. It's 12 years, I think.
Okay.
12 years from me, I'm 19.
So what you ask about that?
Huh?
So you still await after? 12 years.
Anything that a man wait for, I could have even 20 years from now, it's a good thing him away upon.
A good sitting.
Good something. So you could have even walk for walking tick.
A good sitting.
As long as I love, a good something. Some man don't really want to wait, you know. Then there's some bad up that, yo! Look how long man I look you.
But you can't do that because me go get straight.
Exactly.
You know nobody like that, though, Papa?
Enough man out there. We have
Okay,
some friend
okay.
there.
I wait there.
You're some friend? Hold on there. What you say?
Friend there.
Yeah.
Oh, me see them hang sometimes I tell all them one them say, yo, we're not idiot.
Cut them off.
Really
I'm
idiot.
not so.
Cut them off. Cut off them
Me
from the
just hear
Papa.
like you talk about pregnancy and something. When they talk about pregnancy, or what you tell it?
One movie you have,
What
one
you
movie I
tell
didn't
people
have.
to do with them pregnancy when they get pregnant? What you tell the young girl
We're
them?
not telling them that shit.
Hold on,
I never
them.
respond
Hold on,
to
them.
them.
The phone a ring. Hello. Yeah, you know, somebody on the road with Ackeen. You can go up on in channel. Yeah, man. Ackeen Lawrence. Yeah, man. Go up on in channel. And let me tell you something. Are you Popeye did just attack to? What do you mean about what? You have something fast about pregnancy. Let me tell you something. You see your corona kill off the people them. You make sure you care of it and make the world get back people in it. Because right now the people them are dead out and we need back people on earth. Because you cannot stay without people. What? God no give nobody no authority to say this earth overpopulated. Not no go so.
Can
So
they?
if you want to breed, you
Can
breed.
they?
Carry your
Can
picnic.
they?
Alright.
Man,
What you say now?
I mean, like, una choose some kind of can from when, you know.
Yes, I know. What you say? You see, anytime you get pregnant for you, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, anytime you get pregnant for you, not for nobody else, not for you, me a carry.
Me not understand my youth. I could have even 20 of them come out one time, traffic come.
But some of them man I tell the woman them say if dash away the baby, the innocent child, and that is a life.
That are the man they will have no sense.
No,
All
enough
of
of them will do it, they have sense, they just not want to take up the responsibility. And anytime
You
you
know
breed me,
sense that?
Papa, when me a talk, listen to me and not talk when me a talk. Let me tell you.
Alright, people, pick the easy for mine. No matter how the things say it hard, it easy.
How you do it? How you do it?
How me do it? How me mind my daughter? I'll go and work my daughter.
But that, I just want that.
But me, if me a mind, my brother and sister them are 20 years right now, same way. It's easy. All you have to do, get up and
It's
work.
easy for you, talk about speak of yourself. Speak about for yourself alone.
Yeah, because you have one
You know
skill,
about
you see me?
the woman way out there and the woman way out there we do not have it and cannot support them child.
They don't want to rake yard, that's a them problem.
So you are rake yard?
Me used to rake yard.
Okay. So, we say they can start from somewhere.
You can start from somewhere until you reach up there.
Or they can start from nothing to something. Which
Right.
one?
Nothing to something. He will sell bag juice.
But anyway, come back to the argument.
Look around so him sell bag juice till he have club.
Listen, no, man.
Why sense?
Anytime me get pregnant for you, me have make sure say me carry. Now you say easy for mine. Watching me and you.
No.
Yeah,
Right now
my-
the Prime Minister mash up the country. I have to wait. Last go gone sky
Yes,
high.
man
feet
like
gone sky high. So.
Man like uno when you see people no big up on yourself.
you
Go
ever
to
go to
your
the
mind.
supermarket, go to power feeding right now?
Feeding.
At 3,000 and 2,000.
That's why uno got family code.
Oh,
Nah,
the
man.
driver come. Bye bye guys. Subscribe.
Remember to
Alright,
mind your
big-
pitney when you breathe.
Big up yourself. See the people in Ghana now.
Sound not like you stand up.
So, so like that, people. Candy and Popeye take over our show. I hope you enjoy that a little bit there. And if I make it this far, as usual, if you're not subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. But there, now I have no problem with nothing. So, big up on yourself, a little more. My soon.